Lord Jagannath's jackfruit pastimes with Raghudas. Once, Jagannath came to Raghu and told him to go with him to steal jackfruit from the king's garden. Raghu said, "Why do you want to steal jackfruit? If you have a desire to eat jackfruit, then let me know and I will get a nice jackfruit for you." Lord Jagannath replied, "In this way I am getting everything from my devotee. In fact, I have everything. Mother Yashoda would feed me so much butter and give me pleasure. But still, I go to the homes of others for the purpose of stealing butter. There is a special pleasure in eating stolen things. Today, I want you to experience that pleasure of stealing. Please come with me." Helpless, Raghu agreed to the Lord's proposal and accompanied him. Both of them entered the king's garden. Jagannath told Raghu, "You should climb the tree. I will stand on the ground. You will pluck the best and biggest jackfruit and throw it down. I will stand here and catch it. Then both of us will run away." Raghu followed the order of Lord Jagannath exactly as he had instructed. He climbed the jackfruit tree and located the best and biggest jackfruit and plucked it. "Jagannath," he called out, "are you ready?" Jagannath replied, "Yes, I am ready. Throw it." Raghu threw the jackfruit down, expecting Jagannath to catch it. But where was Jagannath? He had run away. No one was there to catch the jackfruit. It crashed to the ground, making a big sound and split open. When the king's gardener heard the sound, he understood that someone had entered the garden to steal jackfruit. He immediately ran to the spot and found the big jackfruit lying split open on the ground. Yet he did not see anyone around. When he looked up, he saw Raghudas sitting in the tree. The gardener immediately ran to the king and told him that Raghudas was stealing jackfruit from his garden. "He is still there, sitting on the top of the tree," he told the king excitedly. The king could not believe that Raghu had entered his garden to steal jackfruit. So the king gathered his ministers and went to the spot where the gardener indicated. He was surprised to see Raghudas sitting in the tree and the jackfruit lying on the ground. On the request of the king, Raghu came down from the tree. The king asked Raghu, "My dear Prabhu, if you desired to eat jackfruit, why have you gone to the trouble of coming to my garden in the middle of the night and climbing a tree? You could have told me. I would have picked the jackfruit and sent it to your house." Raghu told the king the whole story about how he was cheated by Lord Jagannath. Everyone enjoyed hearing the pastime of Lord Jagannath, and they all laughed. They glorified Raghu for his greatness. In this way, Raghu would have pastimes with Lord Jagannath in the mood of friendship. A devotee gave an eyewitness account of one Leela of Raghudas with Lord Jagannath. Once during the Rath Yatra, the Lord had taken their seats on the chariot. After the king swept the road, everything was ready for the chariot to move. Thousands of people pulled the rope, but the chariot would not move. Seeing the situation, the British Saheva arranged for a powerful elephant to pull the chariot. Still, the chariot would not move. The Saheva told Raghudas, "Raghudas ji, what kind of lord is this? I have engaged elephants, yet this chariot will not move." Hearing this, Raghu climbed the chariot and went close to Lord Jagannath. He spoke into the Lord's ear. Immediately the chariot started to move. Saheva was surprised to see this. He told Raghudas, "You are perfect, and your Lord is also perfect." Wherever Raghudas lived, he would leave a pot full of prasad outside for anyone to take. He would take prasad from the same pot the animals and birds took from. This was his wonderful nature. He was very dear to Lord Jagannath. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.